To another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen, and I'm going to show you how I made these codfish battered fish. These are delicious battered fish. The most important thing about frying fish before you get into the batter and everything, you want to make sure you dry off your fish very good. For the ones that don't know this, the reason for that is it is very wet and it will slide right off that batter into the grease if you do not do it. I've done this before. I've made this mistake. This error mistake, and I don't want you to make my error mistake I did years ago when I started first doing this. But you want to get it dried off real good and take a few or quite a bit of paper towels to do it. Depends on how much fish you got as well. But anyways, that's what I want you to know, because if you don't dry it off, it'll ruin your batter, and plus it'll slide right off your fish. Start off the batter by adding 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. Next, you want to add 1 to 4 cups of cornstarch to the batter. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar, or Splendid, 2 teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, teaspoon of baking soda, teaspoon of onion salt, teaspoon of garlic salt, half a teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of black pepper, 2 cups of club soda, which equals out to 16 ounces. You want to take your whisk and you want to give this good stirring. Stir this very good. Very, very good. You got to get everything incorporated in. What you want to do is you want to start off with this one piece, and you want to let it fry in there for a minute. Then we'll kind of lay it down like that. We'll start off with one piece till it goes. Yeah, right there. It's working pretty darn good, looking good. I'll take a look at that. That is delicious. And they are very, very hot. I'm going to try to take a sample of one. Oh my god, that's too hot. This one's the very bottom. We'll try that one. No, that is delicious. That is very, very delicious. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you do subscribe, hit that bell next to it so you can get all my notifications for my videos. And y'all have a wonderful day.